Okay, I'm not sure why I'm going to do a dumb video like this, but everyone else seems to, so here it goes. This is the blower motor resistor for FJ Cruiser, 4-liter V6. As you can see, the original one been in there 156,000 miles or so. Pretty bad shape. It's all corroded and rusted. I decided that once I was doing a brake job, I've got to do another brake job, rear brakes this time, that I would order this one from Rock Auto. This thing's shot. I thought maybe it could be repaired because sometimes the corrosion, you can clean it off or whatever, but this is beyond repair. No point. It was only working on high. It stopped working. Well, at first it worked on low and 3/4 and high. Didn't like the medium mid-level didn't work. So then it just stopped working altogether pretty much, and just I could get high, full blast to do it, but time to make a change here and update this thing and get it working right. And it really, I think I paid $18 for a new one here. So let's see what we got. Yeah, my car's a mess. Don't look at it. It is a mess. Right now, I've picked everything out of the center console. I'm still going, oh yeah, this is a Dorman resistor. Anyway, the easy part is it's just a little clip under here. The clip is right there. You unclip it and it screws in right in that spot here, which is pretty, okay, let's see. What the hell happened now? Here we go. No, one. There we go. So that's the clip, and then it'll go right up into here, into the blower. You don't even have to take out the glove box. Some people do, but I decided not to. I've got a new cabin air filter. I'm not worried about it. So, and really, it's not in the way. What's more in the way is the floor liner is kind of in the way there in this corner, so you need a stubby screwdriver, Phillips head, which, where'd I put that? Just had it here a second ago. Oh, here it is. Stubby screwdriver, Phillips head. That's really all you need, and then the screws there. So, yep, I'll put it in and see if it works. So here's the new one. As you can see, much better. No rust, and Dorman part number. Rock Auto, but you can get it also at like AutoZone and Advance. I think Advance had them. I wasn't in a big hurry for it, so I just ordered it off Rock Auto. Yeah, that little looks like a copper strip there. That is what activates and modulates the fan motor, and so we'll install this now. Yeah, so people say, oh yeah, working on cars, yeah, that's changing a little resistor, that's so easy. But then you drop something back somewhere it's not supposed to be, and then you're in trouble. Okay, all done. Got it in there. Yeah, sorry for the bad camera angle, but it is really in a awkward spot. But yeah, maybe with the glove box out you can sort of see better, but didn't need to come out. Anyway, I'm gonna check it out now, see if it works. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. Back in business.